Welcome to Omasae, where nature, creativity, and timeless rustic living come together to inspire beautiful gardens filled with warmth, texture, and handcrafted charm. In today's video, we are exploring 10 inspiring garden ideas created from fallen tree branches, proving that materials often left behind by nature can become beautiful decorative features with imagination, thoughtful design, and a love for natural craftsmanship. From handcrafted trellises and welcoming arches to woven fences, rustic plant stands, decorative garden screens, lantern displays, bird-friendly features, and artistic woodland sculptures, every project celebrates the unique character of weathered wood while creating inviting outdoor spaces full of personality. Throughout this collection, you'll discover how climbing flowers, colorful summer blooms, lush greenery, ferns, moss, terracotta pots, and soft natural textures blend beautifully with reclaimed branches to create peaceful landscapes that feel established, elegant, and deeply connected to nature. These ideas embrace sustainable gardening by transforming ordinary fallen branches into practical garden features that add height, structure, privacy, and artistic interest without sacrificing their organic beauty. Whether you have a cottage garden, farmhouse landscape, woodland retreat, or a simple backyard waiting for inspiration, these rustic branch projects offer affordable ways to enhance your outdoor space using materials that are often already available around you. Soft summer sunlight filtering through leaves, flowering vines climbing naturally across handmade structures, and weathered wood aging gracefully through the seasons all contribute to a relaxing atmosphere that feels timeless and welcoming. Every branch carries its own natural curves, textures, and imperfections, making each project one of a kind while celebrating the beauty found in nature's own designs. As we begin this inspiring garden journey together, take a moment to enjoy the creativity, craftsmanship, and peaceful charm featured throughout every idea. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Omasae, and share your favorite fallen tree branch garden project in the comments below. A natural branch garden arch creates a welcoming entrance using weathered limbs arranged into a graceful rustic structure full of organic character. Climbing roses, clematis, and flowering vines gently cover the arch, while colorful cottage flowers bloom around its base. Soft sunlight filters through the foliage, casting beautiful shadows across nearby pathways and garden beds. The natural textures blend effortlessly into the surrounding landscape without feeling overly designed. Together, the rustic branches and flowering plants create a charming entrance filled with warmth and summer beauty. A handmade branch obelisk provides elegant vertical support for sweet peas and other climbing flowers while showcasing the natural beauty of weathered wood. Slender branches are fastened together into a simple tapered structure that feels both rustic and artistic. Fragrant blossoms gradually cover the framework, adding color, movement, and seasonal charm throughout the garden. Warm sunlight highlights both the textured bark and vibrant flowers during the day. Together, the handcrafted obelisk and climbing blooms create a classic cottage garden accent. A rustic woven branch fence introduces handcrafted charm through interwoven limbs that create a natural garden boundary filled with texture and character. Wildflowers bloom along the base, softening the rustic structure while attracting butterflies and pollinators throughout summer. The weathered branches blend naturally into the surrounding landscape and develop even more charm over time. Sunlight filters through the woven openings, creating beautiful patterns across nearby pathways and flowers. Together, the woven fence and colorful blooms create a welcoming countryside atmosphere. A weathered branch flower ladder transforms fallen limbs into a charming display for colorful potted plants and fragrant herbs. Terracotta pots filled with geraniums, petunias, and trailing flowers create layered displays that add height and visual interest. The natural curves and bark textures give the ladder an authentic handcrafted appearance. Positioned against fences or garden walls, it creates an eye-catching focal point without occupying much space. Together, the rustic ladder and flowering plants celebrate creativity and sustainable garden decorating. A decorative branch garden screen creates natural privacy while maintaining an open and airy appearance through carefully arranged weathered branches. Climbing vines gradually weave across the structure, adding lush greenery and seasonal flowers throughout the growing season. Positioned near patios or seating areas, the screen defines outdoor spaces without feeling heavy or enclosed. Dappled sunlight creates beautiful patterns as it filters through the branches and leaves. Together, the reclaimed wood and climbing plants create an elegant, rustic garden feature. A rustic branch plant stand showcases fragrant herbs in terracotta pots while celebrating the beauty of naturally aged wood. Weathered branches form sturdy shelves where rosemary, basil, thyme, and mint thrive throughout summer. Earthy terracotta tones blend beautifully with rough bark and fresh green foliage. Positioned beside patios or vegetable gardens, the display combines everyday function with rustic charm. Together, the handcrafted stand and thriving herbs create a warm and inviting garden accent. A wood branch garden sculpture transforms naturally fallen limbs into an artistic focal point inspired by woodland landscapes. Moss, ferns, and colorful summer flowers surround the sculpture, adding softness and seasonal beauty to its weathered textures. Changing sunlight highlights the natural grain and unique shapes of each branch throughout the day. Positioned in a quiet garden corner, the sculpture encourages appreciation for nature's own artistry. Together, reclaimed branches and surrounding greenery create a timeless rustic centerpiece. An old tree branch hanging lantern display creates magical evening ambience by combining weathered wood with softly glowing solar lanterns. Thick branches become sculptural supports, while warm lighting gently illuminates nearby flowers and pathways after sunset. Hanging lanterns sway lightly in the breeze, adding movement and peaceful atmosphere. The contrast between rough bark and warm light creates a relaxing outdoor retreat. Together, reclaimed branches and solar lanterns bring timeless rustic elegance to summer evenings. A natural branch bird perch transforms fallen wood into a welcoming habitat for colorful garden birds and beneficial wildlife. Carefully arranged branches provide resting places, while feeders encourage finches, chickadees, and other visitors throughout the season. Flowering plants surrounding the structure enhance the natural setting while attracting butterflies and pollinators. Morning sunlight highlights both the weathered bark and vibrant bird life moving throughout the garden. Together, the reclaimed branches and wildlife create a peaceful outdoor feature filled with life and harmony. A rustic branch garden trellis transforms naturally fallen branches into a beautiful vertical feature that supports colorful climbing flowers throughout the summer season. Sweet peas, clematis, morning glories, and climbing nasturtiums weave naturally through the weathered framework, creating a lush display filled with color and texture. Positioned beside pathways or flower borders, the trellis adds height while preserving its handcrafted woodland character. Morning sunlight highlights the bark textures and colorful blossoms, creating a peaceful balance between rugged wood and delicate flowers. Together, the fallen branches and climbing plants create a timeless rustic feature inspired by sustainable cottage garden living. As our journey through these rustic garden ideas comes to an end, we hope each project has shown how simple fallen tree branches can become beautiful features that add warmth, creativity, and timeless character to any outdoor space. Whether transformed into trellises, arches, fences, lantern displays, plant stands, or artistic sculptures, every branch carries its own natural beauty that cannot be duplicated by manufactured materials. Combined with colorful summer flowers, climbing vines, terracotta pots, ferns, moss, and native greenery, these handcrafted projects create peaceful landscapes that feel welcoming, personal, and deeply connected to nature. We hope these ideas inspire you to create your own rustic retreat, using what nature has already provided, while adding your own personal style and creativity to every project. If you enjoyed today's collection, please give this video a like, subscribe to Omasae for more rustic garden inspiration, and let us know in the comments which fallen branch idea you would love to build in your own garden. Thank you for spending time with us, and we look forward to sharing even more timeless outdoor decorating ideas in our next video.